In this video, you'll learn how to set up Calendly with Gmail. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully connected your Gmail account to Calendly, allowing you to manage your scheduling more effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Calendly website. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials and sign in to your Calendly account. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can access various features. Next, locate the left-hand menu on your dashboard. Here, you will find different options available for you. Look for the option labeled Integrations or Calendar Connections. Click on this option to proceed. This action will redirect you to the section where you can manage your calendar settings. Once you are in the Calendar Connections section, you will see a list of available calendar options. Find and select Google Calendar from this list. After selecting it, you will be prompted to connect your Gmail account, allowing Calendly to access your calendar data. To connect your Gmail account, click on the button that says Connect Google Calendar. A new window will appear, prompting you to choose which Gmail account you would like to link to Calendly. Select your preferred Gmail account from the options provided. After selecting your account, you will be asked to allow permissions for Calendly to access your calendar. Click on the button that says Allow to grant these permissions. This step is crucial as it enables Calendly to read your calendar availability, ensuring accurate scheduling. Once you've completed these steps, Calendly will now have access to your Google Calendar. This integration allows it to read your availability, making it easier for others to schedule meetings with you based on your existing commitments. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.